Hi, second grade. Today we're going to start a project on Amelia Earhart. Amelia Earhart was a young woman who became a pilot. And she was a pilot when only men were pilots. She's famous for flying across the Atlantic Ocean and flying across the Pacific Ocean alone. And she was trying to fly around the world when her plane and she disappeared, never to be found. So she's a very famous person. So we're going to make a picture of her flying her plane. Now, the plane that she flew was not like the planes you see today. It was more open, and it was only for one person or two people, and the wings were stacked, so there was one on top of the other. So I'm not sure if you've ever seen a plane like that before, but we're only going to see part of the plane when we draw it. So I've got a big piece of blue paper. If you don't have blue, you can use white, and if you only have a small piece, you can just use a small piece. So we're going to start at the bottom with an upside down U shape in the middle of the paper. And then we're going to add another on top of that. And then another that's a little bit closer on top of that. So this is going to be the front of her plane where the propeller is going to go. So we're going to draw one of the wings. So we're going to go up here near the top of this upside down U, draw a line straight across, and under it draw another line straight across. Now I'm going to turn my paper to do the other straight lines. So this would be the other wing. So if you want to learn more about Amelia Earhart, I'm sure you can find something on the internet that would give you some more information about her. All right, next we're going to draw, I'm going to go above the circle, or this U shape, and I'm going to draw a straight line above it. And I'm going to have the sides come down to touch the U shape. All right, next I'm going to add two curved lines. And then go straight across. This is her scarf. So we're going to add the two parts of the scarf, like they're flowing out in the breeze because she was open cockpit. All right, so then she would be wearing flying goggles. So we're going to draw two U shapes. And these are going to be her goggles. So we're going to close those up then. All right, now we're going to do her head. So we're going to make that an upside down U. So starting at the top of the scarf, going up, touching the edge of the goggles, around, like that. And then again, she would have had a hat on. So we're going to start at the tip of the goggle, go up and over her head like that. And now I'm going to give her some hair sticking out from her hat and flying out behind her. I'm going to add some lines to make it look like hair. And then I'm going to give her a nose. Alright, so now I'm going to use my black marker and I'm going to trace over all my pencil lines. And if you have pencil lines that show, you can erase them. I have some erasing to do up here. Now next week we're going to add some details to the picture. So if you have maybe 2 or 3 cotton balls, we can add those for clouds. And then you need a small piece of aluminum foil if you have any at your house. Okay, so next time we'll work on coloring the picture and adding the details. All right, keep your paper in a safe place, and I will see you next time. Bye.